Hey guys, it's me Bailey. I'm back with another video, and today's video I'm going to be filming my slime collection. So I have 14 slimes, and if you wanted to know, so yeah, let's just get started. Oh, and also, by the way, I'm not going to be starting from my first time to my last. I'm just going to go in any order. So my first slime is my newest slime my friend gave me at my cousin's baseball game, and I don't have that long, so I'm going to do it shorter. And it has styrofoam beads in it, and it has black, purple, silver, and blue sparkles with styrofoam balls. And it's like a teal color. I don't know if it's really picking up the real color, but yeah. I have 52, so it doesn't really poke, but that's okay. By the way, I need to make a name for that one. My next slime is my pumpkin slime. Sorry I'm pausing a lot. So, here's my pumpkin slime. You guys always seen it. My jiggly pumpkin slime. Shashi, yeah. Next is my sky blue slime. Yeah, sorry about that, but this is my sky blue slime. Pretty stretchy. Yeah. Next is my blueberry slime. Ooh, la la la, ooh, la 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 la. If you guys didn't know, this one kind of turned into rubbery. This is going to be my 4th video I'm posting tonight. I just posted like 3 from a while ago. One of them is probably really going to have a lot of views. So, a blueberry slime. Next is my Christmas slime. I have no clue if it's picking up the correct color because what I'm looking at, it looks like it's blue, but it's actually like that jet green with green sparkles. Next is one of my new slimes I just made. You can call it No Name or Snow Slime because I have no name for it yet, but it might be named Snow Slime. So, yeah. Next is my bubblegum pink slime. It actually does look like bubblegum. Kind of looks like chewed bubblegum. Next is my light pink slime. So this is my light pink slime. It doesn't really that much look like light pink, but it is. Next is my hot pink slime. I have no clue what color this is showing. Stupid light is so bad. I have no clue what color this is showing. Look like tan on here. But yeah, it's my light pink slime. Hot pink slime. Next is my violet slime. So, this is my tie-dye slime. Ugh, tough buddy. Sorry, I forgot to put my violet slime. This is my blueberry with sparkle slime. It's so putty. Here's me poking it. Next is my poop slime. My last but not least slime is my Easter slime, which I really don't want to get out. It's so ugh. Sorry I was doing them all fast, by the way. I don't have that long, so yeah. I'm not gonna touch this. It feels like snot. So thank you so much for watching my 14 slimes. So this is my collection. Sorry, this keeps falling. I don't know why. But, yeah. And sorry for all of them are fast one more time. But, yeah, love you guys.